Hello, Saraceno Braves. Today we're working on equations. This is the initial lesson. I can use substitution to determine whether a given number in a specified set makes an equation true. We're working with standard 6.EE5. All right, an expression versus an equation. We've been working with algebraic expressions like d plus 2, and we've been combining like terms and adding linear expressions. For this one, we're going to compare what's the difference. So for an equation, d plus 2 equals 10. Here we notice there's an equal sign. What is an equation? Mathematical sentence showing two expressions are equal. An equation contains an equal sign, which is what we saw. Some equations contain variables, but not always. You can have 3 plus 2 equals 5. Replace a variable with a value that results in a true sentence. So when we do have a variable, you need to figure out what number can we replace that variable with in order to make the sentence true. And whatever that value is, that becomes our solution. So today, there are two different things we're going to try. We're going to use guess, check, and revise, and then solve mentally. First, for the guess, check, and revise, we have example number 1. We're going to solve 14 minus p equals 6. You have 3 possible answers that they give you. So just pick one out and try it. So let's try 7. So we're going to replace p with 7. So if we do 14 minus 7, well, 14 minus 7 is 7. That doesn't equal 6. So we're going to have to revise it. We're going to go back and choose a different value. 7's not going to work. Well, let's try 6. So we replace p with 6. 14 minus 6 is 8. 8 does not equal 6. So let's revise. Well, we only have one choice left. So we're going to try 8. So we're going to replace p with 8. 14 minus 8 is 6. Well, yep, 6 equals 6. So yes, p equals 8. That results in a true sentence. So we're going to solve mentally now. Example number 2, 15 divided by m equals 5. So we have this equation. When we think of it, we said 15 divided by what number is 5? Well, we know that if we divided 15 up into a certain number of groups, how many groups would it be? 15 divided by 3 would equal 5. So we know 5 equals 5. So for our solution to make that sentence true, then we would say that m equals 3. Now you get to try. You're going to choose the solution of each of these equations, or the first 4, from the list given to figure out what makes that equation true. So for this one, you're going to figure out which of these 3 makes h plus 19 equal 26. So h equals which of these values. And then you're going to figure out what k is for this one.